tax evasion. So we have number of white collar crimes, but our syllabus covered only two, that is tax evasion and unfair trade practices. Unfair trade practices we already discussed, so I'm going to discuss about the tax evasion. So tax evasion means like not paying tax to the government, submitting some false record, submitting some under report to the government. That way they escape from the tax. They not pay the tax to the government. That is tax evasion. Okay, that also white collar crime because the highly respected people, highly professional people, they earn more salary, but they not pay tax to the government. Even the company also, from the profit they have to pay to the government, but the company also do some cheating things. They have not paid tax to the government. So like this individual or company, anybody do this type of white collar crime, that is tax evasion. Okay, so before the tax evasion, we will discuss about the tax. The tax is the important one. Like all the government run properly with help of the tax. If there is no tax, then government cannot run properly. It may create number of problems. Like the economic support always need for the government. Okay, so the economic support government receive by the tax only. Every people are paying tax to the government. So it is our integral part of our everyday life. Wherever you go, whatever you do from society, indirectly, directly, we are paying tax to the government. Okay, so we have number of types of taxes there. There is state government tax, central government tax, municipal tax also there, direct tax, indirect tax, sales tax, income tax, customs tax. Like we have number of types of taxes there. So every day we are paying some tax to the government. Okay, so the tax is the mandatory for the government. So with the help of this tax only, government can do the public works and develop the infrastructure also. So they can give the proper road, they can do proper water connection, they can arrange electricity connection, they can arrange proper other service also. They can develop infrastructure also with the help of the tax. So tax is the fundamental one for the government. Okay, so the collected fund used to different public expenditure programs also. So we have number of programs. The programs also reach the people. People also get advantage from the government with help of the tax. Okay, so if one person fail to pay the tax or refuse to contribute the tax means it will create the serious issue from our society, because the individual not paying tax, the company not paying tax means then government cannot get money, then automatically government cannot run properly. It may create number of issue. Okay, so everybody has to pay the tax properly to the government, then only government can run properly, then only we can able to solve our social issues also. Okay, so tax paying is the important one for the government. Okay, this is the importance of tax and introduction to the tax details. Okay, let's go for meaning of tax. So what do you mean by tax? Tax is the charge by the government on workers' income and the profit of from the business. Okay, so when the government charge something from the workers' income, something from the business profit, the charge, that amount we can consider as the tax, or imposed on taxpayers by the government organizations. So when the government imposed or charge something from the taxpayers, like the individual or the company, from that when they collect some money, that fund, that amount we consider as the tax. Any type they can collect from the individual or company. So that type of things we consider as the tax. Okay, we have two types of tax: direct tax and indirect tax. Direct tax means like people are paying tax directly to the government, that is direct tax. Like income tax or the property tax or wealth tax, that is direct tax. Directly we can pay to the government. Okay, like when you buy the land or when you come from there, you have to pay something to the government. Directly you are paying, that is direct tax. So you can pay direct to the government, that is direct tax. Next one, indirect tax. Indirect tax means you're not paying direct to the government, you're paying to the organization. The organization pay to the government, that is indirect tax. We not pay direct to the government, we paying to the some shop, to the some industry or to the some organization. That organization or industry pay to the government, that is indirect tax. Okay, for example, when you're going to buy something from market, like buy the paste, buy the soap, buy the laptop, buy the mobile phone, or buy some petrol, like this, buy some rice. When you buy something, from that price, some percentage go to the government. Okay, we not pay directly, but indirectly, government can collect tax from the so and so item. That type of tax is indirect tax. Like GST is example of indirect tax. Nowadays, whatever you buy, there is some percentage of GST. So from that, government, central government can take something from the customers, okay, consumers. That is indirect tax. That is, we have the two types of tax: direct tax and indirect tax. We have other tax also, but I mentioned only two. This is very easy to remember the types of tax. Okay. Next one, importance of tax. So tax is the important one in every nation. So I told you, without tax, the country anything, the nation cannot do anything. Okay, so tax is the basic for all the government. Okay, so it helps in number of ways. The first important is, okay, helps build the nation, means it helps properly to build the nation into the next level, because whenever people support through tax, then government can collect all the tax and they can do some welfare programs. With that, they help the nation to the next level. Okay, so that for that purpose, tax is important one. Welfare schemes also, we have number of welfare schemes from our society, like state government welfare schemes and central government welfare schemes also there. That all schemes reach the people properly. People also benefit from the so and so schemes with help of the tax only, like some Awas Yojana, some free medical insurance, some farmers related insurance schemes or welfare schemes, or 100-day employment guarantee program. Like this, we have number of welfare scheme program is there. The schemes also reach the people with help of the tax. So the further tax is important one. And improvement of healthcare, improvement of education system also, we need a tax, because in our society we have number of government hospitals, like district hospitals, state hospitals, and central hospitals also available. They are doing service at free of cost, and schools also available, like the primary school, middle school, high school, college, university, IIT, NIT. Like this, we have number of government educational institutions are there. They are also doing the service properly to the public with help of the tax only. So to improvement of our healthcare, improvement of our education system, we need a tax. Also importance of tax, and funding for the public expenditure, and reducing the income inequality. All those things we can get with help of the tax. Not only this much, we have number of advantage with help of the tax. So let's do only few. Okay, so we'll see the explanation about the importance of tax. First one, helps build the nation. Okay, so without tax, it is impossible for the government to run the country and to develop into the next level. Okay, so with the help of the tax only, government can run properly and develop into the next level also. If the people are thinking that why should I pay tax? Tax is the burden. Tax is the something very unwanted. Like this, if the people think, then directly it affect our growth of our nation, and it result in number of social problems also. Okay, so whenever the people ready to pay the tax, then only we can develop our nation into the next level. For the tax is the important one. Next one, welfare schemes. As I told you, we have number of welfare schemes, like state and central government running number of schemes for the community development. So all the programs running successfully reach the people. It achieve the target also with help of the tax, with help of the budget, the calculation, spending money, and they appoint the workers and they give the salary to the workers and distribute the money for the programs, all those things. Then only the programs also successful. Okay, so welfare programs reach the people, and poor people can get something, the needy people can get something, elderly people also getting pension, with disabled people get some pension. Like this, number of people get some schemes properly, benefits properly from the government with help of the tax. So for that, tax is the important one. Next one, improvement of healthcare and improve of education system. So as I told you, we have number of hospital health service are there. The government running at free of cost. Sometime minimum cost only they charge for the services. So for that they need tax. And recently COVID time also, government doing the COVID test at free of cost. They are also doing number of sanitation. They are doing number of other checkup, and they're doing number of awareness programs also, and they take care of migrant workers. So also things they are doing with help of the tax only. So tax benefit help for the healthcare programs as well as education also. So as I told you, they can run number of schools, they can run number of college, university also. With that, number of people can get benefit. So like this, education level also can develop. Number of people can get education with help of the tax. So that means tax is the important one for healthcare and education. And also other importance also there, like funding for public expenditure, whatever the public expenditure government doing with help of the tax only, and reducing the income inequality. Because if there is no tax system, rich people always get more money. They are very, and the poor people not able to get anything from the government. It affect their status and they will face number of problems. So to balance the inequality, we need a tax system. So collect something from the rich people and distribute to the poor people. For that things we need a tax system. So it helps to reducing the income inequality. That also importance of tax system. And reaction to taxation can shape the electoral behavior also. So because electoral malpractices happening with the help of the tax evasion only. So when the people paying the tax properly, then automatically we can able to control the electoral malpractices also, and ultimately helps to making the country more powerful and more prosperous way, more development we can get with the help of the tax. So these are the advantage or benefits of tax. Next to our title, tax evasion. So tax evasion means the people not paying the tax. So deliberately, intentionally, knowingly, when the people avoid paying the true tax to the government, that is tax evasion, or to willfully fail to pay the tax to the government. Okay, so willfully, intentionally, knowingly, deliberately, the people avoid or fail to pay the tax to the government, that is tax evasion. They can do number of ways, that is underreporting, falsify the income records, willfully underpaying the taxes. Like this number of way the individual or company doing, that is tax evasion. Okay. Causes why the individual or industry doing the tax evasion. We have number of reasons. From the few reasons are here. Like first one, weak surveillance system. Okay, the surveillance, the monitoring, in the vigilance things not happen properly, because we have number of people everywhere. People can start new company, new business, new way they get some income, they get some profit also. So the government cannot monitor every people. Okay, the government doesn't have that much of power to monitor, to check entire places. So the people use the tricks, and we have very weak surveillance system also. So the industry or the individual using the things properly, so they're not paying the tax to the government. That reason. Next one, rampant corruption in the tax department itself. Okay, like tax officials, like income tax people or sales tax people also, they also get some corruption from the industry, from the individual. They accept the false report also. Whatever account the company submit, they accept, because they used to get some corruption from the company, from the individual. So the tax department peoples not do the duty properly. There are also reasons we have the tax evasion from our society. Next one, complicated tax law and complicated filling mechanism also. Okay, the tax law and filling mechanism is not easy. The ordinary man, the layman, not able to understand the tax law and tax filling mechanism. Only the chartered accountant, only accounts people only know how to file the tax, what are the law for the company, how much you have to pay quarterly or annually, so and so procedure. Only the accounts people only aware about that. The common man, layman, not able to not aware about this kind of practices. Okay, so for the reason, the layman not aware about the tax filling things, and it's very complicated. So people are escape, people are not interested to pay the tax, because for the GST they have to hire one accountant person, or used to use, we can calculate with help of the laptop, with help of the computer only. So they have to hire one person, they have to pay for that, so and so thing is there. So it's not easy, it's not very easy way to file the taxes. So that are also reasons why people are not ready to pay the tax to the government. And tax reduction also, there is a number of loopholes there in the tax reduction processes. Okay, So like if you do some business in this way, some other way, we can escape from the tax. Like this, government also offers some loopholes. So some industry people using the loopholes properly, and they also avoid the tax. It also causes of tax evasion. So loophole is there in the tax law that we have to avoid, and tax rates are too high. Okay, so like the maximum tax percentage is 30%. If you are earning more than 15 lakhs per year, you have to pay 30% of the tax to the government. That is your income. If you are the sales tax, like if you are in the industry, means like some company, some product, we have that 28% of the GST is there. So whatever business you do, depend upon the business, some percentage you have to pay to the government. Like this, the tax rates are too high. So individual thinking, why should I pay this much tax to the government? Like this, they're not ready to pay the tax. That's the reason why people are not paying the tax. Tax rates are too high. Next one, lack of transparency in government expenditure. Okay, the people's paying the tax, industry paying the tax, but the people are industry not aware what government is doing with tax money. Sometimes government spending for other country also. Sometimes the people are paying the tax from that people not get the return things properly from the government. But some tax non-paying tax people getting the benefit. So taxpayers are thinking, why should I pay tax when I not get anything from the government? So that also reasons, lack of transparency also reason people not paying the tax. And multiplicity of tax. Okay, as told you, we have number of tax system is there. Sales tax is there, customs tax is there, income tax is there, direct tax and indirect tax. That is number of tax is there. Whatever you do in our society, it's related to the tax only. Like if you go with the vehicle, you have to buy petrol, you are paying the tax. If you are the salary person, you're paying tax. If you buy something from market, you're paying tax. If you are buy some property something, you're paying tax. Everything tax related. So people fed up with this type of multiplicity of tax, number of tax collection from the individual. So that also reasons that people are ready to pay the more tax to the government. And administration inefficiency, the vigilance, the monitoring things not good. It also reason a lack of awareness, a lack of education about the tax law. Okay, for example, the normal shopkeeper also getting huge profit, but they're not aware what to do, how to file the tax, all those things. Okay, so lack of knowledge also, number of people earning more than the limit, but they're not paying tax. Like this, number of reason is there, causes is there, why we have the tax evasion from our society. Okay, practices, what are the way the individual or company doing the tax evasion practices? First one, not issue the bill. Okay, so the company or the shop, when they not issue the bill, they hide the profit from the government. If they issue bill, automatically they have to pay tax for the profit. But if they not issue the bill, then whatever profit they got for the so-and-so sale, they can hide easily from the government. Okay, so everybody has to get the bill from the shop. When we get bill, definitely the company has to pay the percentage of tax to the government. So some company refuse, they not give the bill. Like this practices company doing in the name of tax evasion. Next one, not register the company, not register the shop also. Like whatever company you have to register in your local municipality office, or you have to register in the Factory Act, or you have to register to the so-and-so organization. But the individual not register the company, the fake company some people run without registration also, they can do business, they can get huge profit, they not pay any tax to the government. Even they not file for GST number also. Like this, without any register, the company run in a local or some district level also, the company also can get huge profit, they not pay the tax. That also practices of tax evasion. And underreporting, like false report they submit, like I got only less profit this year, I got this one so loss. Like this, they submit some false report or underreport also. So that way also practices of tax evasion. Bribery to the tax officials also accept any report from the company, from the individual. It also way the tax evasion is happening from a society. A refusal to pay, some years they not file the tax to pay tax. That also practices the tax evasion is there. And lobby with the government to reduce the tax liability, all those things. And lobby via international institutions also. Like this, number of way the individual or the industry doing the tax evasion practices from our society. Okay, that is tax evasion, intentionally, knowingly, the individual or the company not paying the tax to the government. That is tax evasion. Okay. Next one, tax avoidance. Tax avoidance is legal method. Legally, we can reduce our tax. That is tax avoidance. Okay, so minimize tax activity through the legal methods. That is tax avoidance. Okay, so legal usage of tax law to reduce the tax amount. That is tax avoidance. When a person or company legally exploit the tax system to reduce the tax activity, that kind of things we consider as tax avoidance. Okay, it is legal. Government also give the chance to reduce the tax amount. That is tax avoidance. Okay, so tax avoidance is the use of legal methods to modify an individual financial situation or in order to lower the amount of income tax owned or income tax earned. Okay, that type of things we consider as tax avoidance. Okay, practices. What are the way the individual or company can do the tax avoidance? That is legal method. We have a number of legal method for tax avoidance. That is deposit in public provident fund or LIC or insurance. Like in year up to 1.5 lakhs, you can save in these aspects. That 1.5 lakhs get exemption from the tax. That is legal methods. You can save for your future, or you can invest in public provident fund, LIC, insurance, or you can invest in the mutual fund, or you can pay tuition for your children. If you have children, the children are studying some school, whatever fees you are paying, that bill also you can submit. That amounts also exemption from the tax. Most of you are aware your parents used to get tuition fees from your school, from your college also, because that bill they can submit for the tax avoidance. Okay, so legally the government gives some chance to reduce your tax amount. So what tuition fees you can submit, and also education loan. If you have education loan, after get the job, you paying for your education loan interest. That money also exemption from the tax. How much you paying, that money you can reduce from the total income. That chance government providing. The name of tax avoidance. A saving in social security schemes also, like national pension scheme or Atal Pension Yojana. Like this, some pension scheme also there. If you invest your money in this pension scheme, that amount also exempted from the tax. Yearly 50,000 you can invest in this NPS and APY schemes. Whatever you invest in these schemes, that 50,000 also exemption from your total income. So like this, legally government gives some chance to the individual to reduce the tax amount. That is tax avoidance. Like some donation also, or if you have any housing loan, you can pay the interest and interest and principal. That money also you can calculate, you can submit to the tax department. That amount also exempted from the tax. And donation also, like number of celebrities used to give the donation to the needy people. They can do donation to some NGO also, because whatever donation they offer, that money also exempted from the tax. Like anybody can donate some money to the Chief Minister Relief Fund or a Prime Minister Relief Fund. If you do some donation to any NGO, some Chief Minister, Prime Minister, means that amount also exempted from the tax. And spending for the personal disability or your dependent somebody disability, if you are spending for the treatment, means that money also exempted from the tax. And sometimes the other practice is, sometimes the parents used to open the account, multiple account on the family members, like on wife and children also they can open some account. They can use different share market, different investment they can open on their children name also. That also legally, because individual has to pay, not family. So individual, if you are earning more than 2.5 lakhs, more than 5 lakhs, you have to pay the income tax. So if you spread to other members name, and that amount also exemption from the tax. Like this legal method is there to avoid the tax. That is tax avoidance. Okay, it also morally that also not right, because we are not paying to the government. It also affect the government development. So that is tax avoidance. Okay, so like this we have two different things: tax evasion and tax avoidance. Tax evasion means that is illegal, intentionally, knowingly people not paying tax. It come under the criminal penalties. That is tax evasion. Tax avoidance means legally you can reduce your tax, you can save for your future, you can spend for your dependents. That is tax avoidance. Like this, we have the two different things. Okay. So this is the image or the tab tax slab. If you are earning this much amount, then you have to pay this much of percentage of the tax. Okay. For example, if you are earning up to 2.5 lakhs, then you don't need to pay any income tax to the government, but you have to file the income tax. Like if you're earning more than 22,000 per year month, means you have to file the income tax, but you don't need to pay any tax to the government. And if you are earning 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs, that is monthly. If you are earning more than 40,000, then you have to pay 5% of your total income to the government. That is tax. That is tax slab. Okay. We have two types of tax slab: old one and new one. Okay, like this recently last year our finance minister introduced the new slab also. This is a new slab calculation. This is the old percentage of tax slab calculations. Okay. So whatever I told you, so these are the tax avoidance practices we can use only in the old tax calculation. Okay, it not come under the new rate. Just for calculation, if you are earning this much per year, you have to pay this much of percentage to the government. Okay, if you are earning, so this is the income tax slab, how much you have to pay to the government depend upon your salary. Okay, so this is the annual salary, and this is the percentage of the tax you have to pay for your income tax to the government. This is for your information about income tax calculation. Okay. Okay. Impact. What is the consequence of tax evasion and tax avoidance? We have number of impact. If the people not paying tax, then it definitely affect our nation. Okay. So if the people not paying tax, if there is tax evasion, actually lead a number of problems for the fund, like for road, for port, for power, for water, for drainage, so and so things government cannot do without money. Okay, so if there is no tax, government cannot arrange proper road, proper power supply, proper electricity, and proper water connection also. So and so things people are not able to get without tax support. And reduction in the country's economic growth also, because if the economy, the country not get economic support from the people not paying tax, means definitely affect the country economic growth. So economic growth get affect, and income in the divided into the unaccount sector also, like on the Benami transaction or some other way, the amount get transferred from number of places, because they not file the income tax, they hide the money. So unaccount sector also, like investment in the foreign country, or investment or support for the political party, black money, like this way it go. So it also problem of tax evasion. And loss of revenue, increase of inflation also, the price also getting increase. Some so and so rice or dal or vegetables, the price also get increased because of the tax evasion, because some people have huge money, they can buy anything, so automatically the price also get increased, the poor people not able to buy. So that type of problem also arise due to the tax evasion or tax avoidance. And diversion of resources into the some other sector also, like buy from the real estate type of things, and invest for the luxury houses, luxury car, like this way they invest, that money also tax avoidance, tax evasion money only. And black money also increase from the country. Like this, number of impact or the consequences we may face due to the tax evasion and tax avoidance. Okay, to control the tax evasion and tax avoidance, we have number of legislations from the government. We have number of legislations. I cannot read all the legislations, but I'm just to show the name of the legislations. Okay, like the Income Tax Act, Companies Act, Company Secretaryship Act, Caste and Works Accounts Act, Depositors Act, Expenditure Tax Act, Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, Employees Compensation Act, Indian Stamp Act, Interest Tax Act, National Tax Tribunal Act, Public Liability Insurance Act, Recovery of Debts Due to Bank and Financial Institutions Act, Reserve Bank of India Act, Taxation Law Amendment Act, Trademarks Act, transfer of property. At least we have number of legislations are there to control the tax system, to monitor the tax evasion. Okay, but number of legislation is there, but there is some loopholes also in most of the legislations. So people or the individual or the industry people use properly, they are not paying the tax to the government. Okay, so other than these legislations, what government is doing to control the tax evasion, the preventive measures by the government. Okay, first one, GST. Recently our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi introduced the Economic Reform Act, that is GST, Goods and Service Act. Okay, so after GST, all over India, one tax. Wherever you go, everybody has to pay the tax, some certain percentage. Okay, so when tax is compulsory all over India, the same tax system means then everybody has to pay the tax. Every factory, every company has to register. They have to get the GST number, and through that they have to do the transaction, everything. So we can monitor the tax evasion things properly. So GST really help to control the tax evasion. And next practice is link PAN number and Aadhaar card. Okay, so that also great preventive measures to control the tax evasion, because people used to get different bank account. They can open different bank account. They can do different business with the different accounts. Okay, but when the PAN number Aadhaar system introduced, then every bank account linked with the PAN number and Aadhaar number. We cannot get multiple PAN number, multiple Aadhaar number. So every bank account sync with the only one Aadhaar or only one PAN number. So we can able to monitor the everybody bank account easily. How much you get as a profit, what are the business that people are doing, how much you pay tax, everything we can calculate. We can monitor properly with the help of the PAN number. So permanent account number also important one to control the tax evasion. And next one, intelligence and invigilations also. Okay, so they can do proper invigilations and intelligence things also properly working. Number of vigilance commissions also doing income tax raid, sales tax raid, customs tax, so and so things. The government is continuing and keeping it properly. It also helps to control the tax evasion. And compulsory maintenance and audit of accounts. Okay, every company they have to submit the audit. They have to submit the tax filling things to the government. If you are income, if you have profit, if you not have profit, whatever you have the company, you have to file the tax to the government. So compulsory maintenance of audit of accounts. Every company has to submit the audit things to the government. Every year they have to submit. Like this compulsory they made, it also really helps to control the tax evasion. Okay. Also other practices also there, like coordination between the banks and income tax departments, so they can monitor the things properly, who earning or who is doing so and so services. Like this, they can monitor the bank account and the income tax department things properly. It also helps to control the tax evasion. And regulation of donation to the political parties. Like sometimes some industry people, some individuals also give donation to the political parties by the tax evasion. Okay, but now government stop the donation things. If you want to pay any donation to any political party, you can pay with the help of the bank transfer only. So when the bank transfer things announced, it also helps to control the tax evasion. And changes in the income tax returns also, it make easy. Even the individual can pay the tax in the tax office itself. So tax officials also helping to file the tax. Like this, the mechanism also more easy. That we also great things to control the tax evasion. And reduction of tax rates also, like income tax percentage also reduce, and the tax slab also increase the salary level. Like this, when that so and so thing government is doing, it really helps to control the tax evasion. Okay, so other than that, what other things need to control the tax evasion? We need some other things also. Like first one, simplification of tax law, because the tax law it's not easy. The common man, the layman, not able to understand the tax law, tax filling mechanism. When government make it so easy, when everybody can understand the things easily, then only we can able to control the tax evasion. Otherwise, some people may earn, some people not interested to pay the tax also. So we have to create the awareness about the tax law and tax mechanisms. It helps to control the tax evasion. Next one, removing of loopholes, because number of tax law, we have some loopholes also. The industry or the individual using the loopholes and they escape from the tax. They not pay the tax. So there is some loopholes that we have to control. We need to implement some strict rules. Then only we can able to control the tax evasion from our society. Next one, need for creating the transparency also. Okay, so what government is doing, how much they collected as the income tax, how much they collected from the so and so district, so and so state, the details they have to release it transparently. When the people aware, when the district people, state people aware about their own income tax, how much they're going to return back, how much the government is spending for the people like this. When there is transparency, then people are also happy to pay the tax. When there is no transparency, the government hide the money, government spending for other purpose means, then some sector people not interest, they also hide the tax things it happening. So transparency also really help to control the tax evasion. And need to educate the people about the tax law and tax filing mechanism also. Like we need to create the education to all, because everybody going to earn, everybody going to be a professional, everybody going to do some job. So this knowledge important for all people. Like every school, every college, we have to develop, we have to teach about the tax law, importance of tax, how to file the tax, so and so things. It also help to control the tax evasion and making people feel proud about the tax things, because the government doing something to the taxpayers, so they can feel, they can give some benefits, they can give some advantage for the taxpayers. Then only number of people are ready to pay the tax, but there is no benefit, there is no any advantage for the tax paying means, then other people are not interested. So we have to do some kind of do favor to the taxpayers, then number of people may pay the tax properly. And special code we have to arrange, then only we can able to control the tax evasion practices, because the same code invigilation about the other cases also means it take time, they can do other things also. So special code we have to arrange for the tax related problems, then we can able to control the tax things. And providing adequate security to the tax officials also, because of fearful only the tax officials also accept the false report, they are supporting the corruption. When tax officials get the proper security from the government, then also they can do the duty properly. Like this number of other things also we need from ourselves. It also help to control the tax evasion, and it also help for our social development. Okay, so this is the tax evasion. So everybody has to understand about the importance of tax, how to file the tax, and we have to get the awareness to others also, because without tax government cannot run properly. I mean the government cannot do the social welfare programs also. It affect our every people way of life, and day-to-day life also get affected because of tax evasion. So we should control. After, when you are the future leader, when you're going to get job, when you earn something, we have to pay proper tax to the government. Okay, that's all. Thank you.